All right, second video for tonight. I want to go over the chart on SPY and where we're at in the market. Um, I couldn't be on my computer today all day, unfortunately, which is ironic because if you look at this, I charted some levels, but like the other day when I made the other video, um, and yeah, if you look at it again, we hit this level and we came all the way up to the second one and we stopped. Literally, the high of today was this candle here at the exact level that I had, which is 506.09. A little ironic. Can't believe I missed it. I wish I was here for it. But yeah, this actually would have been a pretty good trade once you saw it break above this 502.85 from a different day and hold. You want to see it hold. So, maybe once you hit this candle here, um, you could have bought. It would have been a pretty nice day. I'll be on it tomorrow. We'll see if we reject from here. We'll see where we go from there. Yeah. Obviously, after this level now, we could draw this level here. Um, Now this was a gap up. Yeah, so I mean, we have this is what I was talking about earlier as well in one of the chats. Is we have tons of level on both sides now that we have to fight through. Um, I it's hard to say. I don't know who will take direction here, Bears or Bulls. But I mean, honestly, we are still in. I wouldn't call this a bear market just yet. It was like 3 days of red, and I think it was just an overreaction to the news. And with earnings coming out and they're not looking bad, I mean, even Tesla, that had terrible earnings, is still up what, I mean, massively after hours. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Watch these levels. Watch this 506.09. Um, watch this 502.85. Up from there, you got big level of 509.17. And under 502.85, you have the 499.17. Yeah, so good luck tomorrow. I'll be in chat all day. Again, I'll try to hop in voice chat, but we'll see what happens. Again, have a good night, y'all.